Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube's most underrated television show. We are here for part 2 of my clothing haul try-on video, kind of leftover from my birthday celebration where I bought myself a bunch of clothes from Torrid and I wanted to review, try them on, and just basically upgrade my wardrobe. Here we are, video number 2. So we'll start off with what I'm wearing. This is a denim jacket that I'm absolutely in love with. For one, pockets, you know that's my thing. And 2, it's like a medium wash denim, which you can't go wrong with. It goes with so much, and this style, I don't even know how you describe it. It's kind of like a rain jacket, but in denim form. It's just so cute. It has snaps, a zipper, it has a hood, and it matches these fly ass earrings. I just have to say, together, this is like an all-out look that I cannot get enough of. It's giving me 90s vibes. I don't want to say cross colors because it's not really cross colors, but definitely fight the power, I don't know. I love it. I got my denim earrings, which obviously don't match with much, but it goes with this, matches perfectly. It's got some African colors in here, and it's just giving me life. In addition to that, I have just a simple black dress. It's got a braided strap that halter crisscrosses in the back. It's just a simple little look that works on so many levels for basically an evening, hanging with your friends, running errands, whatever. I wouldn't say this is at all a professional look, so if you had to go somewhere, work or somewhere nice, I would say this is not the outfit you would want to wear. But you know, for like a Sunday fun day kind of vibing situation, this is it. It has a hood, which doesn't fit over my hair at the moment. Thanks, Justin. So he's like, I didn't actually say that, but all right, there we have it. On to the next. All right, so the first one we have is a wrap. I did get a couple of wraps after I shot my first video, and I just kind of want to get those out of the way. This is a nice little light wrap that has long sleeves. I mean, how awesome is that? It's great for a couple of reasons. One, you have more wearability throughout the year, so you can wear this in the fall, in the winter, etc., but also in the summer when your office or school or wherever you're at is cold. So it has long sleeves, which you can roll up, and I think it actually looks really cute rolled up. It has that little piece of strap that keeps the roll in place. You get a little extra shelf life out of this outfit, and it's still pretty light, so in the summer it's still not going to be too hot. It's perfect for evenings in the summer when the temperature drops just so slightly, but not enough to put on a jacket. And obviously the pattern is floral, but it does have these cranes, so it kind of reminds me of a little Asian motif, but it's really cute. I really love the color palette within this. So that's this. Yay. All right, so here we have one of my favorite colors of this whole try-on haul, etc. I love a maroon look, so and I also really love velvet. It just feels so soft, so I'm really kind of into this little kimono. It is shorter than my other ones, which I would prefer it to be a little longer. I think it kind of cuts me off at, you know, kind of a weird place, but it's okay. It has a lot of other benefits that I actually really like. This is quite sheer, in a studio like this where it's nice and warm. This provides some breathability, so I do like that. So it's perfect for summer for that very reason. I will say though, conversely, it might not be great if you want something that has some versatility. Because this is also light, this is going to be very flappy, flowy in the wind, which is great or bad depending on your perspective. So if you're outside and it's a windy day, you want maximum coverage, you would want something that is a little heavier, so that way it's not going to blow away. So that's all. On to the next. All right, so our next wrap is a set of 3. I mean, they didn't really come together as 3, but they're 3 of the same type of thing, which is a swimsuit kind of cover up that's made of a lacy material. And so since they're so similar, I'm gonna kind of review them together. I put on a different dress, one that has kind of a spaghetti strap situation, because I think it's a little more appropriate for this type of look. But here is number 1. This one has buttons, obviously, that go down the front. You can button them together, or you can leave it open. I personally like just the top button. It's a little capey, a little bit vampy, so that's how I prefer it. All right, let me try on the next one. All right, so here is option number 2. Pretty similar to last one. It doesn't have buttons this time. It's also lays really flat against the body, which is kind of nice. Though it is lace, this one is just slightly different. The last one was floral, this one is damask, and it has little like polka dots that kind of adorn the whole garment. And yeah, same deal, little cover up, cute, black. Works with almost anything really. All right, so back to florals for option 3. Tiny little sparse flowers all over, very lacy. And this one has like a center cinch kind of detail. So this one you can definitely tell was like a true swimsuit cover up. And unfortunately it's a little small, so I can't really do much with this one, but you get the idea. Nice and flowy, still a great option for both a cover up for a swimsuit, as well as rocking it like a non-traditional style with a dress. All right, so tell me in the comments, which was your favorite of the 3? All right, let's move on. All right, so here we have a tie-dye look. It's kind of like a splotchy pattern. I don't know if I would really consider it tie-dye, but it definitely is like kind of like a funky, kind of groovy pattern. I will say it's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. I think this one requires a little more effort. It's not as seamless to just like put this on with something. I really feel like you kind of have to put a little thought into it. You might have to find the right color palette for this type of pattern and maybe pop this with some interesting jewelry, or like I said, like a different like color. I feel like black is super obvious because there's black in this, but I just feel like it's too status quo. I don't know if that means denim, white, or like a true like color underneath, because I haven't really tried to dress this with anything. This is like my first time wearing this. Either way, it does require, I think, a little bit of work. This is really light material. It's very flowy. It has the fringe detail, which obviously by now I think you understand that that's my thing. This is me stepping a little bit out of my comfort zone to get something with a pattern that's not a floral print. You know, we'll see. I'll give this a fair shot. I'm not gonna say I hate it. I'm not gonna say I love it. This is definitely something that is kind of like a to be determined. All right, so on to the next. On to my final wrap look of the day, and this is back to a full length, more traditional kimono style look. Minimal detailing with some embroidered flowers throughout the, you know, the chest, and then we have some velvet along the sleeves. There's not much to say about this one, but I will say I really like it. I feel like the ones that are mostly black give you the most versatility in terms of color palette. You can wear like a bright color underneath, you can wear black and white, you can wear black. This just kind of is cute, fancies up something that's pretty plain, and it's just like it's like a look. I don't really have a lot to say about this one, but just because I don't, doesn't mean I dislike it. I think that this one is really cute. I love the length, it's very slimming, and yeah, it's just like so cute. On to some dresses. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my vlog channel, Please Excuse My Brilliance. I post new videos once a week on Fridays. We experience a lot of cool shiz, which I can't wait to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Please Excuse My Brilliance. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side. Here I am back with a look. I am in a cape and it is about 100 degrees outside, but whatever. Personally, summertime is the best time to buy things that are fall and winter appropriate. They're always on clearance, and who doesn't need a good cape in their life, as well as some jackets. This is a cape that I am proud to add to my collection because it has pops of velvet green, it has like little button details. I think this is actually part of some kind of collection, possibly Disney, I'm not exactly sure. Look at this like emerald green, it's like so cute. And can we get a moment for the back? A little bit of corseting. I am an avid fan of corsets. I am an avid fan of capes. I just think this is like super cute, so I just wanted to give this its due respect and give it a moment on this little try-on haul. All right, so one time for Christmas in July. Here we have an example of a clearance coat that I bought during the summer. Because that's the best time to buy winter clothes if you're not concerned about maybe being a trend behind. I mean, a coat is a coat. This one was one of the ones that I just decided to buy on an impulse. Like I said, I've been doing like some shopping for my birthday, and it was like a buy one get one sale. So I didn't get an opportunity to try this on because I ordered it online, and the arms are a little bit big, so I'll just have to deal with that. But honestly, this coat was like 20 bucks or something like that, 20 something dollars, and I think it's like a pretty good deal. I'll live. I like the color. Obviously it's a neutral, so this is something that I can wear with anything, although I question whether or not your coat has to match your outfit, although it's bomb when it does. I don't think it's a necessity. However, I won't have to worry about that because this is all gray. This features a full length of buttons and a full length zip that zips from both directions down as well as up. I don't know, there's not too much going on with this jacket, so I don't know that there's like that much to say about it other than it's a jacket. It is lined. It's not that heavy, but it is really soft, and I can feel instantly a lot warmer than I feel without this because we have the AC going on in here. So I think it will do the job. Also, because it is long jacket, you also have some coverage for your face on like days when it's really windy. Here we have it. My little jacket.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Yay, we recorded some shit.